Very good morning, dear children. Today we are going to see chapter number 9 of General Science, that is motion and types of motion. Now, observe and discuss. In our day to day life, we see many moving objects. Moving objects are said to be in motion. Discuss which objects in the above pictures are in motion. What differences are seen in their motion. So, in this picture, the objects are in motion, but their motions are different motions. Some are in circular motion and some are in straight motion, or some are moving in a random motion. Now, next topic is motion. While waiting for a bus at a bus stop, other vehicles appear to be in a state of motion. On the other hand, when you are in motion yourself, a still object appears to be moving. Still object means non-movable objects. They are moving. When we are standing for a bus on a bus stop, other vehicles are moving. But these vehicles will see that still object means non-movable objects are moving only. For example, the trees are seen to run backward while you are traveling in a train. If an object is seen by an observer to change its place continuously, the object is said to be in motion. Change of place of an object is called displacement. An object in motion continuously undergoes displacement. Means any object, those who are in motion, that object continuously undergoes a displacement. Means that object shows displacement. So what is the definition of motion? That we will see. The continuous displacement of an object is called motion. So in case of picture, whatever these objects are there, they are continuously displacing from one another. So that is called as a motion. Means all these objects are said to be in motion. Now next topic is types of motion. There are various types of motion. We will see first type, that is linear motion. Linear means straight line. Okay. So there are two types of linear motion, that is uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion. Let us see all these types of motion in detail. First type is linear motion. The motion of an object in a straight line is called as linear motion. For example, a train or a moving vehicle on a road may travel in a straight line or in the same direction. This motion of an object is called as linear motion. An object in linear motion shows displacement along a straight line. For example, we will consider another example. If you stand on a chair and release a ball from your hand, it falls to the floor. What do you conclude from this? So, when we are releasing the ball from our hand, no doubt that ball is going on the floor only. But that motion of the ball after straight line, that ball will go anywhere. Okay, no doubt when that ball is going from our hand to the floor, that motion is along a straight line only. Now compare the motion of soldiers on parade and a girl coming down a slide. The motion of soldiers in a parade is the same. During that period, not even a slight difference is seen. So, all these soldiers are in a straight motion. However, the motion of the girl coming down the slide does not appear to be uniform. The girl comes down faster and faster. The speed of her motion goes on increasing continuously. So, the motion of the marching soldiers is uniform linear motion, because in this motion no change is seen. On the other hand, the motion of the girl coming down the slide is non-uniform linear motion, because first of all that motion is decreasing, and afterwards when that girl is coming down the slide, that motion is increasing, means speed is increasing, and due to that it is a example of non-uniform linear motion. So there are two main types of linear motion, that is uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion. Let us see definitions of uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion. When the distance traversed by an object along a straight line in unit time is the same, the motion is called uniform linear motion. On the other hand, when the distance traversed by an object along a straight line in unit time keeps on changing, the motion is called non-uniform linear motion. So, in this way, today we have learned types of motion, in that linear motion, and this linear motion has two types, that is uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion. Thank you children for watching the video.